Urugamiriri wa honge itiganite cia urimi ni umwe wa maundu maria matamburitwo ta kirei kinene kia arimi.
I have directed the National Treasury, the Ministry of Trade and Industry, the Ministry of Agriculture and the Attorney General to finalize and gazette the newly developed Tea Regulation 2019 within the next 2 weeks.
Na niguo kuhatura arimi thena-ini uyu haha niho President Uhuru Kenyatta ambiriirie gwika Mogaruruku na atongoria aria maingiritie murimi irima-ini riri matingirisha.
Kwa majani kuri na miritu irikuo iria ikoragwo ikihumbira na ikihithania indo cia muingi.
Tungeheria broker murimi wa macani agirwo ni gukorwo akian mbeca itaranyihira ciringi 91 na acoka uga mbeca icio ni rihagwo o mweri gicunje kia 50 harĩ 100. Na nĩ maũndũ macio twanauga kaingĩ tondũ mũrĩmi wa macani arathiaga mbere gũkomba mbeca bengi agakombithio ro mbeca icio ciake.
I have directed the National Treasury to immediately operationalize the 3 billion shilling cherry revolving fund within the next 30 days to cushion farmers from delayed payments and enable them to access finance to meet their daily cash flow requirements while awaiting payments for their produce.
Ukombo uria utuire urimi-ini na wendia wa macani na kahuwa riu ni uteaneirio na President augite riu marongoreirie gwikira magetha hinya niguo makiendio nja wa bururi magakorwo na bei njega.
These regulations include establishment of the Green Leaf Pricing Formula Committee to determine the formula for pricing of green leaf. Further, the establishment of a self-sustaining stabilization fund to cushion farmers against price fluctuations and ensure implementation of guaranteed minimum returns.
Ananchi aria ordinary matire kura gutwikaga ati ungugiko kuri andu atatu mena macani maingi nio maguka magathura mundu director. Andu acio mena macani maingi ni mathie maige ithii kiao.
Murimi wa iria riu President akiuga ni oneirwo kihonia kurumirira mitaratara iria yareirwo ya guthinga kuria turi anime marahatagiriria murimi.
I have directed the National Treasury to release 500 million shillings to the new KCC to purchase excess milk from farmers and to convert this milk into powder for future use.
Arimi aindo iria ithukaga na ihenya ta waru ni mereirwo gwakwo gwa thito iria ireteithagiriria kweheria magetha mugunda matanathuka na kuiga kwa ihinda riria kwagia na magetha maingi thoko.
I have directed that the National Treasury release 300 million shillings to the Micro and Small Enterprise Authority for the construction of cold storage and processing facilities in Mweru, Nyandarua and Kisii.
Na kiria kiangenia ni ati exact o ciugo iria turaragia o uri ihana noguo president acioya na auga itindikiririo ku implementwo. Wa mbere uhoro wa iria ni ukumenya iria thiini wa bururi wa Kenya riu arimi ni maraita
ruhonge rwa urimi ruigeirwo mamirioni ma mbeca niguo gutigirira munyiginyigi uyu wa utonga wa bururi ndona haragana.
I have also directed the National Treasury to release a further 575 million shillings to the new KCC for 2 milk plants, one in Nyeri and another in Nyahururu, to enhance their processing capacity.
Mawatho marumu maria manirirwo ni President Uhuru Kenyatta magutereba ruhonge rwa urimi meroheirie murimi mwihoko ati riu ni egutongera mugunda-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV de Nairobi, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.